Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link Instagram to TikTok. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in TikTok, click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, the next thing is you need to do the same thing with your Instagram account. Log in using your credentials. If again, it's your first time here, this is the perfect time for you to create one by clicking on the sign up option and follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. Now, linking your Instagram account to TikTok can promote your Instagram profile to your TikTok audience and vice versa. This can help you gain followers on both platforms and increase your overall social media presence. Linking accounts allows you to easily share your TikTok videos to your Instagram profile, enabling you to reach a wider audience and engage with followers across multiple platforms. Now, how do we link our Instagram to our TikTok account? Now, the first step that you need to know is, now I'm going to head over to my TikTok account. Okay, so you do that as well. It doesn't matter if you're using your desktop or mobile device because all you have to do is just hover to the upper right corner and click on View Profile. Now, once you are in here, okay, click on the Edit Profile. It was done that you would be able to see an option that says a social option here, and there's gonna be a section that says Instagram or YouTube, and click on Instagram and you would be able to move forward by logging into your Instagram account, and after doing so you will be successfully linking your Instagram to TikTok. Now, I don't have that option because I'm using the web, but if you're using your mobile device, that's going to be a lot easier for you. Okay, now another thing that you can do to link your TikTok to Instagram, click on the Edit Profile and copy your TikTok here, your TikTok profile URL, and then go to your Instagram account, click on your profile. It's the same thing. Click on the Edit Profile here. And on the bio or the website, you can add your TikTok profile as well. And of course, from there, just click on Save and you would be able to link your Instagram to TikTok without any problems. By linking accounts, it can encourage your followers to interact with your followers and fans across different platforms, leading to increased engagement and interaction with their content. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.